Welcome to today's English shadowing practice. Today, we will practice speaking about our daily morning routines. Listen carefully and repeat after me to improve your pronunciation and flow. My alarm goes off at 6:30 every morning. My alarm goes off at 6:30 every morning. I usually hit the snooze button once or twice. I usually hit the snooze button once or twice. Then, I finally stretch and get out of bed. Then, I finally stretch and get out of bed. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. It helps me feel awake and refreshed right away. It helps me feel awake and refreshed right away. Next, I head to the bathroom to wash my face. Next, I head to the bathroom to wash my face. Cold water always wakes me up instantly. Cold water always wakes me up instantly. I brush my teeth and brush my hair quickly. I brush my teeth and brush my hair quickly. After that, I change into my comfortable workout clothes. After that, I change into my comfortable workout clothes. I like to do some light stretching in the living room. I like to do some light stretching in the living room. Sometimes I go for a quick run outside. Sometimes I go for a quick run outside. The morning air feels so fresh and cool. The morning air feels so fresh and cool. When I get back, I take a warm shower. When I get back, I take a warm shower. I get dressed in my clothes for the day. I get dressed in my clothes for the day. Then, it is time to make some breakfast. Then, it is time to make some breakfast. I usually brew a hot cup of black coffee. I usually brew a hot cup of black coffee. The smell of coffee fills the whole kitchen. The smell of coffee fills the whole kitchen. For breakfast, I love having oatmeal with fruit. For breakfast, I love having oatmeal with fruit. Sometimes I make scrambled eggs and toast instead. Sometimes I make scrambled eggs and toast instead. I try to eat my breakfast slowly and relax. I try to eat my breakfast slowly and relax. While eating, I often read the daily news online. While eating, I often read the daily news online. I prefer not to check my work emails yet. I prefer not to check my work emails yet. My morning quiet time is very important to me. My morning quiet time is very important to me. After eating, I wash my dishes in the sink. After eating, I wash my dishes in the sink. I make sure the kitchen is neat and tidy. I make sure the kitchen is neat and tidy. Next, I pack my lunch for the day. Next, I pack my lunch for the day. I usually prepare it the night before to save time. I usually prepare it the night before to save time. Then, I grab my keys, wallet, and phone. Then, I grab my keys, wallet, and phone. I double-check that I have everything in my bag. I double-check that I have everything in my bag. Before leaving, I feed my cat and give her water. Before leaving, I feed my cat and give her water. She always waits patiently by her food bowl. She always waits patiently by her food bowl. I put on my shoes near the front door. I put on my shoes near the front door. I grab my jacket if it looks cold outside. I grab my jacket if it looks cold outside. I lock the front door carefully behind me. I lock the front door carefully behind me. I walk down the street to the bus stop. I walk down the street to the bus stop. The commute takes about 30 minutes in total. The commute takes about 30 minutes in total. I listen to an interesting podcast on my way. I listen to an interesting podcast on my way. It is a great way to learn something new. It is a great way to learn something new. Sometimes the bus is very crowded in the morning. Sometimes the bus is very crowded in the morning. I usually arrive at my office around 8:45. I usually arrive at my office around 8:45. I greet my coworkers with a friendly smile. I greet my coworkers with a friendly smile. I sit down at my desk and turn on my computer. I sit down at my desk and turn on my computer. I write down my main goals for the day. I write down my main goals for the day. Having a clear plan helps me stay focused. Having a clear plan helps me stay focused. Then, I finally open my email inbox. Then, I finally open my email inbox. I take a deep breath and start working. I take a deep breath and start working. Having a consistent morning routine keeps me organized. Having a consistent morning routine keeps me organized. It gives me energy for the busy hours ahead. It gives me energy for the busy hours ahead. I really enjoy having a peaceful start to my day. I really enjoy having a peaceful start to my day. What does your typical morning routine look like? What does your typical morning routine look like? Great job! You completed today's English shadowing session. Keep practicing every day, and I will see you in the next video.